Hi guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying focused and I hope you're enjoying all my videos, my podcasts, my strategies, tips, and of course my recipes. Don't forget my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa, and I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips. So what are we making today, my friends? We're gonna make a delicious taco wrap. We love tacos in this house, and I'm all about the wraps these days. They're just so easy, they're versatile, and of course delicious. So what are you gonna need? I've cooked up my taco meat already and my veggies. You can check out my recipe for the taco meat. I make a huge pot right here. Look at that. I like extra lean ground chicken meat, and I get it at Walmart, the Prime. I love that. But you can use whatever you want. You want to use turkey meat. You want to use beef. It's up to you. It's versatile. So all I do is add onion and garlic powder, some chili powder, some oregano, and of course some taco seasoning. I like Worcester and soy sauce, so check out my recipe. It is super easy. And I love my rock grill, which is right here. I think you can see it. I'll just show it to you. It's not hot right now. I love it. I bought it at Costco, and what I love about it is I can grill up my onions. I have Vidalia onions, and I have some colored peppers because I like my meals to be colorful and of course nutritious. So what you're gonna need also is a tortilla, all right? And then you just cut it halfway up the middle, all right? And you're gonna take a medium skillet and just add a little bit of olive oil spray. Now, of course, I'm gonna put this on low and I'm gonna put it in so it starts to crisp. I'm adding some fresh spinach, a couple tablespoons, and I'm adding a couple tablespoons of Saputo light mozzarella. You can use whatever you have or want, okay? And again, it's versatile. Afterwards, I've taken some sour cream, you can use yogurt, and I've simply just added a sprinkle of some taco seasoning. But I also love it with some salsa. So you can also make my homemade salsa, my homemade guacamole, or even hummus is a great idea to dip it in afterwards, all right? So lots of tips here. Okay, and I also have some zucchini that I grilled, and I like to eat that on the side, or you can even add that. You can add anything you want, all right? So I just have this in my pan like so, and I'm gonna use a quarter of a cup of my meat, and I'm just gonna lay it down flat on one corner, okay? Just a couple, about a quarter, maybe just a bit less, because we want to be able to fold it. So you have it on one corner. Then I'm going to add some peppers, a few peppers, and I'm going to use a little bit of some onions there as well together. Then I'm going to add some of my spinach. And last but not least, I'm adding my cheese. So I'm just going to show you what that looks like. Just like so. So you do each corner, okay? And then we're going to fold. So I'm just going to bring my camera down a little bit so you can see that I'm going to fold one corner and then the other corner. And I'm going to fold it again carefully. And I'm going to fold this one upward. And then we're just going to let it, I'm going to get a spatula here. And the cheese is already melting. And it looks actually like a little cone All right. So I like to get it crispy on each side. Of course, you can do it on your plate first and then add it, but I just find it easy just to do it right in the pan. Okay, so I just do one side. I'll just turn it up. I like it crispy. And this is one smart point for the tortillas. I'm going to show you. I buy these. They're the Mama Lupa. I hope you can see it. And they're from the Low-Carb grocery store. And I just love these. But you can use whatever tortillas you have, all right? Any brand, any kind. And for those of you on WW, you're just going to be counting this and the cheese unless you're on the green program. And even if you're counting the meat, it'll be really low because you're not using a lot unless you make several. And you can eat probably 2 or 3 of these with a nice salad or some extra veggies like I have on the side. So I just have it on one side, and I'm just going to put this on my plate, and it was already crispy on that side, so I'm just going to leave it. Okay, and then I'm just going to add some nice zucchini on the side, or you can have it with a salad and you can dip it. Just want to bring it up nice and close so you can see the inside. All right, and I'm not going to take a bite because every time I take a bite and then I try to talk, I choke, and I don't want to be doing that. So you could make it soft, you can make it crispy, and if you make several in a row and you're making for company, you can stick them in your oven to stay hot. All right, so this can be a amazing meal. It can be a hors d'oeuvre, an appetizer, a snack even after a workout, and you can have it for lunch, for brunch, for dinner. Okay, it's versatile, like I said, and you can add different things to it. You can dip it with some salsa. I have some salsa here. You can use yogurt and make my other dips, and you can check those out. All right, lots and lots of different ways to enjoy these taco wraps. So simple, easy, versatile, fun, quick, and super delicious, right? So that's it. That's my recipe. Please don't forget to comment, ask me questions, tag me when you take a picture, and post my recipes on all your social media. Share my channel so everyone can get healthy with Risa. All right, love you guys. Take care. Mwah. Bye for now.